to shopping presents and Santa. Nothing sounds better than having Christmas in July. The only thing missing is the cooler weather.
Isn't that right? Christmas also means a time of giving, and the event we're talking about helps fight breast cancer. Here to tell us more is Donnie Cathy, president of Cathy Sew and Vac, and Kimberly Hicks, director of development and communications for Susan G. Komen. Welcome.
Thank you.
It's wonderful to have you today. Now, I'm very curious, how did Cathy's get involved with Susan G. Komen?
Well, a couple different ways. Actually, one of my employees recently developed breast cancer and had a double mastectomy. And we do this Christmas in July promotion every year, and we always do an embellishment program or embellishment project that our employees and our customers are involved in. So this year, we wanted to do something where we could help the charity, and so we decided to do bras. And it's really been very well accepted by our customer base. Been a lot of fun. My employees are real excited about it. And we're excited about the connection with Komen's. I have a very dear friend that also works at Komen's, so that's how I got involved.
Well, I am super excited as well because I love this idea because, like we were saying, it's something different to put, you know, a different perspective on breast cancer and all the traditional events that we see out there. And, I mean, today's fashion, let's be honest,
right?
Backs are missing, you know, fronts are missing, that people are really going after, like, neon bras and fun things like that to really be more of an accessory than just something that we hide.
Right.
And so now everybody gets to decorate their own.
Right, so we have a couple examples here. Actually, one was done by my staff, and the other one is done by one of your station employees.
Really?
Who happens to be my rep for K-Gun, and she did a fabulous job. She just brought it out this morning, and I'm very impressed. She's very, very talented. It's a side of her I hadn't seen before.
Did she do the bedazzled one?
Yes, she did.
Oh,
That is amazing.
that is
fun?
so
Bedazzled
cool.
bra.
I want to make
Yes.
one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to, yeah.
We can make that happen for you.
Yes.
Yeah. The program isn't for another couple weeks. It's
Okay.
2 weeks from this Saturday.
Okay.
And so we do still have bras available. We actually are selling the bras in the stores for $5. That $5 goes to Komen's as a donation. We're asking that after the judging that the bras then be donated to Komen's so they can do an auction or whatever they decide they want to do to raise more money. We have different categories that these will be judged in.
Do you want to read some of these fantastic categories?
Sure, sure.
All right.
We have Funny Girls, most creative use of decorations, that's supporting the Tatas.
I love it.
Best use of embroidery, embellish the melons. Most bodacious and beautiful, the bosom holder. And then best of show, which will be the booby prize.
Those are so creative and
clever.
fun.
Yeah, they are fun. We actually had a great time coming up with these names, as you might imagine. But each one of these will have a winner's prize, which will be a gift card to Cathy's. And we're going to match that prize with a donation to Komen's as well.
Wow.
So
Amazing.
sign up for this event is $35. $10 of that goes to Komen's as a direct donation as well. And it is 2 weeks from this Saturday. We still do have space in the show, and we do still have bras available that can be embellished. Our only caveat on the bras is they do need to be new bras.
Okay. Yes.
That makes sense.
And so we are asking that they be bought from us. And you know, you don't have to donate them to Komen's. If you come up with something like that, you may want to put it up on your wall.
So this is something people sign up for ahead of time and then make before the event? And
Right.
Then, okay, so they're not making them at the event,
No,
to be
no.
clear.
This is,
Cool.
yes, this is something that the day of the event we'll have them displayed. The participants that come to the event are the ones that will actually judge the entries, and then we'll be handing out the awards. Santa Claus comes. It's a great fun show. We do it every year, as I said. We have Sue Hausman coming this year, who is an industry celebrity. So it's really a fun thing. We'll have 100 to 150 ladies there.
Wow.
Yeah.
And Kimberly, let's hear from you. So Donnie comes to you and says, hey, we want to hold an event where we bedazzle bras. And you're like, we are on board.
We are
That
so
sounds
on
like
board
fun.
with that. Yes, we thought it was just a fantastic, fun idea, and we're so grateful to Donnie for reaching out to us. And because without business owners and sponsors and people who support us, we couldn't do the work that we do. And 75% of every dollar that we get stays right here in Southern Arizona, in the 6 counties of Southern Arizona, to provide services to women and men who are affected by breast cancer and who need, it provides mammography, radiation, chemotherapy, other treatments, and even survivorship after the fact. So we're just really, really grateful to be a part of it, and it just happens to be a really fun event. So we're really grateful for that.
They're a great organization, and you know what they do for the community, we appreciate. You know, and as part of the community, we want to help any way we can.
Yeah.
And it really touched us having one of our employees have to go through this. You know, I don't think anybody really doesn't know somebody that's been touched by breast cancer.
Exactly.
You know?
I think that's really sweet of you to honor her in that way, too. I'm sure she's very honored to...
Well, we want to support her as best we can, and not just her, but you know, anybody that's going through this. It's a hard time, and so doing something that's fun to go along with this.
And this really is fun.
Yes. It
Yeah.
is.
And you're supporting them more ways than one.
Hey! For the win. There you go.
Nailed it!
That was brilliant.
Thank you guys both so much for joining us today. And this is such a cool event. I hope you sell out completely.
Thank you. We hope so as well. We're looking forward to it. It's going to be a lot of fun, and hopefully we raise a lot of money for Komen. That's the actual end run on it.
And I want you guys to come back and show us the craziest bras that people have created. How fun would that be?
That might be a
great.
fun thing to do, especially if you're going to put together an auction afterwards.
Yes.
Maybe we could
Once
come
we know
back
what we're
and
gonna
show
do.
you the winners, and then they can tell you how they're going to go about raising a little bit more money.
All right, consider it done. Thank you guys so much again. And there are 2 locations here in town. The first is on Speedway. That store number is 721-4000, and the other store is on Oracle, and that number is 797-7177. To learn anything else about them, just go to their website. It's KathySewandVac.com.
Coming up on the Morning Blend, we'll get some updated travel trends for the frequent flyer.
Plus, we'll learn all about the newest Melissa McCarthy movie about a woman whose world is turned upside down, so she takes to the road with her hard-drinking grandmother. We'll meet 2 of the stars right after this.